I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch is making good contact with your skin because Assistive Touch reads subtle muscle and tendon movements. Once done, open Settings, tap Accessibility, and enable Assistive Touch. This is the only built-in pathway. Make sure motion and wrist detection are allowed when the watch asks. Those permissions let the watch interpret your hand gestures accurately. You'll notice brief on-screen guidance. Follow it so the watch can register your basic gestures before you customize. Now you'll train and personalize how those gestures behave. You tap hand gestures, then record a pinch, a double pinch, and a clench so the watch learns your motion patterns. After training, assign each gesture an action. For example, set a single pinch to tap, a double pinch to go home, and a clench to open the control center or a specific app. Make sure to tweak sensitivity and hold durations so the watch recognizes you reliably without accidental triggers. To complete setup, practice using gestures in real contexts. Pinch to move focus and select, clench to activate the focused control, and double pinch to go back or trigger a configured shortcut. Once comfortable, make sure frequently used actions are assigned to the easiest gestures. If recognition is spotty, retrain gestures or increase sensitivity. Also restart the watch, update Watch OS, and ensure the band fits snugly. If problems persist, reposition the watch or seek Apple support. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.